Why me go try something when me tell you say now come to my mind?
No, but me tell you, if you try Nyam, would you come and take that and say you Nyam it? Yes or no?
Nah, try, and that now go come to my mind. If any time that come to my mind, if me feel like if try, me find piece of rope, because I know what rope sell.
So what you do with the rope?
You know, I'm accepting that pan rope, you know. I mean, I want one tall tree. Short one can do me good. I want me slipping that here and tie rope short and choke off. So it must end. But me not have a problem still. I say me not have a problem, man. Like eat.
Thank you guys so much.
I have some batty boy dog, you see?
No, so let me tell you, okay, so me chat if I watch you and judge you, them say you're Nyam, but you keep it a secret.
No, me not keep nothing a secret. Me that know everything. Cause first thing me and me, that would have the branding. Just like how them tell it, look at them, I'm just like how them, yeah, you know, people know say as me go in a room, I'm come out back. Them would have ear. Give me it. Show me.
How them here? You can go out how you Nyam. Me not tell you eat out the girl thing.
You
can lick it out.
Lick out.
Look, take out your tongue. Take out your tongue.
Take out over tongue. Take out over tongue. Take out over tongue.
Just show you, man.
Now tell me about take out tongue. I think then I'm a bad boy you talk to in then. Real Jamaican you talk to in. And I knock out Jamaican them this end. I tell me about take out.
Me think that Putux a lie, you know. Putux a
lie. God kill me right here, so now then me am front. I'm to charge it. Then two things me tell myself me not do. Fuck party and yam front. Believe.
So if I get, so what Jaden me not do tap the girl then?
Oh?
Which hole Jaden went in when he been tap the girl?
When Jaden go in a room, na girl and Jaden.
Nobody think they on video.
If you on video, well, me want to see video, car. If me see video now, well, me go burn him. Me go burn him.
Check on mountain. Check on mountain.
One phone me up. You sure say a Jaden, you see?
Jaden there in the wrong hole.
Jaden?
Jaden.
What drive it?
Check a Jaden. Real bad Jaden. Real bad Jaden.
My friend Jaden, no, do that. I'm not have to go look, car. My jagger friend, my name Jaden, I drive a crown and sit. No, do them nothing. Nothing Jaden, I do that. Me.
No, go ahead.
If you do that, you see, bro, I'm not even go up on the website yet, you know. But me I tell you that, if me go up on here and find now, say, sitting like that, and bro, me tell you this, me pack my bag tomorrow. Right now, I go back up.
So, Putux, let me say, you bring one new chick in the house. And you mistakenly slip in the wrong hole.
Why me go make slip? Cause a girl hole big. Why me go slip and go wrong place?
So baby girl, they bring in the house.
So why me go try force up my thing? Sit me now one passage where I come.
No, remember saying they're like half inch away, you know.
That's why me not fucking at that then. That's why me not make mistake. Me not fucking at that. The light of it and me have to see where me enter. Me have to see where me go. Me not drive blindfold. Trust me there.
Oh.
Me no fucking a light, man, and sit. Like what you see light now. Yeah, me no fucking a dark. So me can't make mistake and sleep. Me not believe in a sleeping thing. I'm mad.
But sleeping does happen though, you know. You just